Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video, which is this Optical Illusion Phantom of Makeup mask. Now, I know that this is kind of like a Halloween look, but it also fits in with Pride, and as you can see, we went full on Pride. I'm so impressed with this look. Like, when I hold it, I actually look like I have a mask on. I'm honestly so impressed with myself. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and let's get into how to create this mask. I'll insert a picture now of the look that we are going for. It is so beautiful, it's so effective, so I really want to pay tribute to this look. So the first thing that we need to do is sketch out the line of the mask, and I'm just going to use an eyebrow pencil for this, and I'm just going to wing it, to be honest. I'm going to keep looking at the photo and we're just going to follow the line of this mask. Okay, so we kind of go up here and round down the eyebrow, then we come down here. Okay, I'm going to continue this one. We're going down the nose in the middle. Now we can obviously clean this up with a makeup wipe after. So now the first step is to do the brow, and we are going for a strong brow for this look. If there is ever a time to do a strong brow, now is the time. So I'm just going to take this same eyebrow pencil. It is the NYX brow pencil in the shade Espresso, I believe. I'm just going to fill in the brow where the areas are a little bit more sparse. I'm going to give it a bit of an underline at the front, try and fill in some brow hairs, and just make the brow really strong. I haven't done a brow like this in so long, but should we bring it back? Obviously, to set the hairs in place, I'm going in with my bare brows, and I'm literally just going to lay these brows flat. We're not doing a soap brow, we're literally just setting these hairs in the shape of the eyebrow that we've created. Now I'm going to go in with foundation, and I have this little tester to try. The key with this is to make the foundation really light, like a lighter tone than your face. So that is what I'm going to be using this foundation for. I got given this sample from a friend, and it is the Lancome foundation, and it's in the shade 115C. So it is too light for me, but that is what we're going for with this mask look. And I'm going to use a brush in the hopes that this will kind of help me stay in the lines a bit more. So I'm literally just gonna buff this into the face. That smells a bit like sun cream. But yeah, it's okay if we go over the lines, because like Nikki did in her video, she just cleaned it up with a makeup wipe after, so we'll be able to do that as well. The next step is to go in with concealer, and I'm just going to go in with the one I usually use, which is the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 03. I'm hoping this is still going to be a little bit lighter than the foundation, but I feel like it's going to be quite a similar match now that I've gone really light with my foundation. And I'm also going to use this as a base for the eyeshadow, so I'm just going to carve out my brow with this concealer. By the way, if you don't follow me on Instagram, you will probably have not seen that I'm doing a giveaway over on Instagram, so head over there. My Instagram is glamwithgrace.mua. The link is in the description of this video anyway, but head over there if you would like to take part in my giveaway. I'm giving away a free occasion makeup for anybody. Now we're going to go in and set this, and I'm just going to go in with my Vitamin Bae powder. This is in the shade Fair, and I'm just going to use my True Girl Cosmetics powder puff to set this. Okay, we are all set and in place. Now I think I'm gonna do the eyes next. So we are going for a Pride look. It's gonna be a creative, it's gonna be a rainbow cut crease basically. So to do this, I'm going in with my NYX Ultimate palette, and look at these shades. This is gonna be perfect for a Pride look. So to start with, I'm going in with these two orange shades. I'm literally gonna take a bit of both, and we're gonna start here and just gently press and buff this in. I'm just doing left and right motions to blend this, and then we'll blend it out into other colours and up in circular motions. And then taking the same brush, we are going to take this into yellow, but I will do that with a different brush. With the same brush, I'm going to go into the dark pink shade here. Maybe the bright one actually. I'm going to take a bit of both. This is going to be the next shade, so I'm just doing exactly the same, pressing it on and blending it in circular motions into the other colour, tapping off the excess and then blending this very gently up to the brow. Now this is a dramatic look, so we're going to use all the eye space. The next colour we want is purples. Is it purples? I actually don't know. Let me check. With Nikkie's look, I don't think it's actually the colours in order of a pride flag, but that's what I'm going to follow. So we go into purple next. Whether that's right with the pride flag, I don't think so. However, I'm using her look for inspiration, so that's what we're going with. That's not as pigmented as I want, please. Thank you. There we go. Again, blending that up into the brow. Actually, I do think it is, no, it is the pride flag. It's just going in a different order to what I did last time. Okay, now we're going into blues, and I'm taking this bright one here, maybe a bit of a dark one. I'm still on the same brush, by the way. Oh my god, look at the brush. It's a cute rainbow. Just taking this next to the purple, and exactly the same thing, just circular motions. Then we go into greens. Now I'm just taking this one at the bottom and a bit of the teal one that's also in this palette. And we're taking this out towards the end of the brow and towards the end of the mask. Just gently flicking it out. I'm just taking the yellow from this palette and bringing this into the inner corner and blending that into the orange that we laid down earlier. I'm just kind of packing the yellow on first, because otherwise you're going to lose the pigment if you blend it too much first. I'm just taking a really fluffy brush and I'm just going to blend out the edges of this. Okay, and now I'm sure you've seen me cut the crease 1,010,000 times, so I'm just going to cut this in this shape like so, and then I'll be back to you. Okay guys, I have cut the crease and I just added a little white liner underneath. Can't really see it that much, but I think it adds a little bit of a pop. Now we're going to add a winged liner, and I'm just going to do a black winged liner with my NYX eyeliner. Just going to do a black wing to connect this. Liner is on, and now I'm just going to add a coat of mascara. This is from L'Oreal and it is the Miss Baby Roll. The lashes, well, shall I say lash, that I'm using today are these from P. Louise. They are in the style Sassy Season, and so I'm just going to apply that now and I'll be back. And now let's finish off under the eye. So first I'm going to go in with the pink, and I'm going to take this in the centre, and then we're going to blend this out into orange and purple. Then going into the orange. And lastly, going into the purple on the outer corner. Okay, and now for the fun part, we are going to apply some gems. Now I'm going to be going in with these ones. They're kind of like holographic. And Nikkie kind of did one here, here, and here. And she did one here as well. So we're just going to play around and pop these on with some lash glue. Okay, gems are done, and now it's time to move on to the base. So we're gonna bronze up first. Just going in with my usual NYX bronzer, and we're gonna take this where we usually would apply the bronzer, kind of bring it out to the cheek, and then we can just take it away when we then wipe off the excess around the mask. I'm going to do the same thing with blush. This is from Doll Beauty and it's in the shade Take Me to the Peach. For highlighter, we are going in with a lot because this is a mask and we want it to look like it's really popping. So I'm just taking a little brush, and this is from Technique Get Gorgeous. It is the one I always use. And we're just going to really highlight the places we would usually highlight. Okay, finally time for lips, and I'm taking my Doll Beauty lip liner in the shade Princess. And then taking this liquid lipstick in the shade Hello Sunrise, and it is from Essence, and it's so good. Whilst that's still wet, I'm just going to take some highlighter and pop it on my lip. Now I'm going to take a makeup wipe and I'm going to clean around this mask. The next thing we need to do is create some shadow around the mask. So I'm just taking my NYX Ultimate palette and I'm just going to take a fluffy brush, a small one to start with, and then we'll blend it out with a fluffy brush. And I'm just going to take a brown shade and just slowly kind of create a shadow around this mask. Now we've got the outline, I'm now just going to go in with a fluffy brush and blend out these edges. Guys, this is actually looking so cool already. Like, I look like I'm... Okay, now it's time to add some highlights. I'm just going to take the P. Louise base. I'm just going to take a little bit on the back of my hand and then use a brush to kind of add some highlights in on the mask in different areas. Don't really know. Okay guys, I'm so sorry. My camera died when I was adding the little white highlights, but I literally just added some around here. And yeah, I think I'm actually done. I am so impressed with myself. I really hope you guys like this video. Like, if I try and hold it. I'm so happy. I'm actually so impressed that I managed to do this. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and hopefully I will see you in my next one. Bye.